The BC government is introducing a home flipping tax. It's one of several new measures in the province's 2024 budget delivered on Thursday, which also forecasts a deficit of nearly $8 billion.
To those who just want to make a quick buck by flipping homes, things are about to get more difficult.
The new home flipping tax, effective January 2025, will apply to profit made from selling a residential property within 2 years of buying it, with some exemptions. The budget also adds money to the new BC Builds program and increases property transfer tax exemption measures for first-time home buyers.
You got to be impressed by things like the flipping tax. We got to be impressed by adding housing to where we haven't in the past, making zoning more flexible, cracking down on short-term rentals.
The provincial government is also set to cover in vitro fertilization. Starting April 2025, one cycle of IVF will be free, but details are limited as the program is yet to be developed.
Whether it's a person looking to have a child on their own, people who are experiencing infertility, or a same-sex couple who has tried other methods, this will help more people on the path to parenthood.
The budget will also see 90% of businesses no longer having to pay the employer health tax, something business groups called for.
Our number one ask of the government was to see an increase in the threshold on the EHT, and so we're pleased to see that. However, it is still a very high-cost environment, and businesses are really struggling with that.
The budget also includes some one-time benefits, such as the BC Electricity Affordability Credit, which will see the average household save about $100 on electricity bills for a year starting April. The province is also increasing the existing BC Family Benefit for 1 year.
Putting cash in people's hands this year when the economy is soft is good economic policy and can help pump up demand. It's putting cash in the pockets of British Columbians that can go out and spend it in local businesses.
There's also more funding for areas like healthcare, education, climate emergencies, and capital projects, but no major plans for new schools, hospitals, or transit projects. And some question the projected deficit of $7.9 billion, which would be the highest ever.
We need to see the finance minister putting down the taxpayer credit card, picking up a pair of scissors, and restoring some fiscal sanity back to our province.
We had a tough choice to make, and that choice was, do we cut services to people? Do we increase taxes for ordinary British Columbians? Or do we have a deficit?
This is the last budget for the BC NDP before the next provincial election, which is set for October 19th. In Victoria, Monica Gould, City News.